Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm need to download driver Lexmark. This here for serial. This here for you type the driver download. That's why I'm search the official website for you. And like download for the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. This here for official website. You click here and this one. And this here for the printer. You scroll down, looking the title driver export. Click here for the title and this one. This here for the title driver and download. Click here for the title, and this here for search your device model print, and this here for the tag your automatic operating system. And my operating system for Windows 10. If you need change operating system, this click here. This here for operating system Linux, Windows, and the Mac. I'm sure for the Mac, and this here for Mac version. You click here. This here for a new update for the Mac version, Mac 12, Mac 11. This here the update for the Mac version, and this here for a new update for the Mac 12, 11, and Mac 13, and this here for not update for the Mac, not update new version for the Mac, and support your Mac 12, Mac 11. And this here for the Linux, you click here. This here for the Linux version, update for the Linux version, and this here for the Linux main 12, 11, and 13. This here for the 28, 27, 29. This here for Fedora version. If you need to download, you click here for your version. And this video I'm need to download driver for Windows. I'm select here for the Windows. And this here for the new Windows for the Windows 11 new version for the Windows. And this here for Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1. This here for the Windows Server. And this video I'm need download driver for Windows 11. Like here Windows 11, you're looking that release. This here for that release support your Windows 11, and this here for the language English support. And this video I'm recommendation for you download for the package, and this here for universal print driver installation package. And I'm recommendation for you download here. You click here for the title, and if you need download, you click here about install download, and this here for your driver download. If you need install driver for the printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC, to take the USB cable printer, and please what finish driver download. If you finish driver download, you double click here, and click here, you click open, double click, you double click file. And if you need question, comment below. If you need link below description the video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you bye next time the video.